Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the iRobot Roomba 104. This is also true for the 105 as well, so depending on the model that you have, if you have the self-empty base, you'll have the same base here, so this will work for those as well. But first things first, up at the top of the dock, we can remove the lid. That's going to be where most of our maintenance is conducted. In here we have our vacuum bag, so you just pull that up, just like so, to dispose of your old full vacuum bag. And then in here, you'll notice we have some storage off to the side. If you have an extra vacuum bag, great. You can pull it out of there, and then you're going to reinstall it here. But down below, we have a filter, so you can always just tip this upside down and empty it out, use some compressed air. You can put your finger into here to make sure there's no obstructions in the channel for the self-empty. They even give us a little cleaning tool and brush. If you have any dirt or dust anywhere, you can do that as well. But in here, not much to do besides visually inspect in there, compressed air down below if you want, and then restocking any extra vacuum bags if you want to put them and store them right in there. And then taking your new vacuum bag and just pressing it in, it just slides right down and in place. So that's going to be what you do at the top. And then further down, this is where the self-empty is. So you could always visually inspect in here too for any clogs. Charging contacts, you can wipe down this as needed. If you're going to wipe it down, though, just make sure it's unplugged to be safe. And at the very bottom, this is super clutch. If you notice that there is a clog, maybe you suck up like a kid's toy or something along those lines, even just a bunch of hair maybe or something could clog it, whatever it may be, they give you direct access. It just takes one Phillips head screwdriver, and it's those 6 screws. Then you can remove this cover and get access to any clog in there. They make maintenance very simple, straightforward with this station. It really basically takes care of itself. You just need to keep an eye on any dirt or debris building up and emptying the vacuum bag once it's full.